until the sun doesn't shine, till time stands still, until the winds don't blow. When the day is just a memory to me, I know I'll still be loving, I'll still be loving you.
These are cool chairs. Beep, 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 beep.
6:30 in the morning, in the middle of the sweetest dream, when I hear that alarm clock calling me, I wrestle with the feeling that the day is starting way too soon. I hit the button just to buy a little time to keep you in these arms of mine. For another 9 minutes, let the world stop, steal a few moments from this old clock. 'Cause this is my dream and I wanna stay in it for another 9 minutes. I love the way the sunlight dances on your perfect skin. Girl, I wish this night would never end. But we gotta get moving. Can't eat if we don't get paid. But I got us a better idea. Let's pull up the covers and stay right here for another 9 minutes. Let the world stop, steal a few moments from this old clock. 'Cause this is my dream and I'm gonna stay in it for another 9 minutes. Hit the button one more time to keep you in these arms of mine for another 9 minutes. Let the world stop, steal a few moments from this old clock. 'Cause this is my dream and I'm gonna stay in it for another 9 minutes. Let the world wait. Who's gonna care if we're a little bit late? This is my dream and I wanna stay in it for another 9 minutes. Let the world stop, steal a few moments from this for another 9 minutes. Let the world wait. Who's gonna care if we're Yes, another 9 minutes. Let the world you and me moments for this. So another 9 minutes. Let the world wait. Who's gonna care if we're a little bit late? I was just out of the service, thumbing through the classifieds, when an ad that said old Chevy somehow caught my eye. The lady didn't know the year or even if it ran, but I had that $1,000 in my hand. It was way back in the corner of this old ramshackle barn, 30 years of dust and dirt on that green army tarp. And when I pulled the cover off, it took away my breath. 'Cause what she called a Chevy was a '66 Corvette. And I felt a little guilty as I counted out the bills, but what a rush I got when I sat behind the wheel. Opened up the glove box and that's when I found the note. The date was 1966 and this is what he wrote. It said, my name is Private Andrew Malone, and if you're reading this, then I didn't make it home. But for every dream that shatters, there's another that comes true. And this car was once a dream of mine, now it belongs to you. And though you may take her and make her your own, son, you'll always be riding with Private Malone. Well, it didn't take me too long and I had her running good. Love to hear those horses thunder underneath the hood. Had her shining like a diamond and I'd put the rag top down, and the pretty girl would stop and stare as I drove her through the town. The buttons on the radio didn't seem to work quite right, but it picked up that oldie show, and especially late at night. I'd get the feeling sometimes if I turned real quick I'd see a soldier riding shotgun in the seat right next to me. A young man named Private Andrew Malone, who fought for his country and never made it home. But for every dream that shatters, there's another that comes true. And this car was once a dream of his, back when it was new. He told me to take her and make her my own, and I was proud to be riding with Private Malone. One night on a rain-slick road, I took a curve too fast, and I still don't remember much about that fiery crash. But someone said they thought they saw a soldier pull me out. They didn't get his name, but I know without a doubt it was a young man named Private Andrew Malone, who fought for his country and never made it home. But for every dream that shatters, there's another that comes true. And that car was once a dream of his, back when it was new. And I know I wouldn't be here if he hadn't tagged along. Yeah, that night I was riding with Private Malone. Oh, thank God I was riding with Private Malone. I'm meeting my buddies out on the lake. We're headed out to a special place we love that just a few folks know. There's no signing up, no monthly dues. Take your Johnson, your Mercury, or your Evan Root and fire it up. Meet us out at Party Cove. Come on in, the water's fine. Just idle on over and toss us a line. Bass trackers, bay liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side there's 5 houseboat front porches, astroturf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. Bermudas, black socks, and a tank top tan. We popped the first top at 10 a.m. That's Bob with the hairy back. He's checking out the girls on the upper deck, rubbing in the 15 SPF. It's hot, he's gonna have a heart attack. Later on when the sun goes down, we'll pull out the jar and the old guitar and pass them around. Bass trackers, bay liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side there's 5 houseboat front porches, astroturf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. When the party's over and we're all alone, we'll be making waves in an old-wake zone. Bass trackers, bay liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side there's 5 houseboat front porches, astroturf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. The Redneck Yacht Club. Show is almost over, and let me tell you it's been great, 'cause there's nothing like the people we're playing for today. And it's been our pleasure bringing you this little slice of home, and we hope we see you safe again somewhere down the road. Now I've done shows from coast to coast, but the best, if you ask me, are the ones we do for folks like you that keep our country free. And if it wasn't for the soldier who puts his life out on the line, and their families who also serve to make that sacrifice, we wouldn't have a choice where we work and how we pray. Everyone across the USA, we do what we do thanks to you. We couldn't live the way we live if it wasn't for you all. We're so grateful that you answered when you heard the call. And we're here because we want to be, and we're glad to do our part. So let me tell you once again, from the bottom of our hearts, it's an honor and a privilege to be standing here right now. And the folks back home want you to know how much you make them proud. And if it wasn't for the soldier who puts his life out on the line, and their families who also serve and make that sacrifice, we wouldn't have a choice where we work and how we pray. Everyone across the USA, we do what we